Welcome to Cemen Service Plus. During the winter months, and when you are experiencing freezing temperatures, it is important to remove all the water from the unit, including the water tank, pump, valves, and lines. Leaving water in the unit during freezing temperatures can cause significant damage to some of the components. The truck should be running, but the PTO does not need to be engaged for this procedure. At the control panel, press the Pour Concrete button, then press Start a Pour. Press Select a Mix Design and choose any mix design and then press the Accept button. Now press the Water button on the pour screen and turn the water to On. This will open the water valve and allow water to flow out. Now you will need to go to the water tank and open all the drain valves in the system, including the one on the strainer. Once all the water is drained out of the valves, you will need to go to the blowout valve at the back of the unit so that we can blow air through the water system to remove any residual water. At the blowout valve, turn the yellow handle to the air in the water system position and then turn the air valve to the open position. Air will blow any remaining water out of the system. Be sure to open the water hose nozzle to remove water from the washout hose. Once all the water has been blown out, close the air valve and return the yellow handle back to its original position. Be sure to keep all drain valves in the open position while the unit is parked. This completes the water system winterization procedure. If you have any further questions, be sure to contact Cemen at 1-800-247-2464, Cemen Connect, or via email at service@cementech.com.